shelves for cigarettes and spit bottles over here.
Wait. Cigarettes? This is your shed?
And we have
This is so
hangers for
amazing.
rags and buckets.
We
And we have plenty of seating for
got
guests.
firewood?
Firewood.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is
Shovels and
amazing.
brooms.
I wish I had a hangout like this.
Oh, you do.
Oh,
Yep,
man.
You do. This is yours.
Well, let's come inside.
Okay, we'll
Let's
come
see.
in. I'm going to shut my door.
It's about the size. Wow, it's like a little ice shanty or a little pork potty.
A porta potty built for two. Oh, yes. Yes, it has high vaulted round ceiling, you know, round roof.
Can you believe
Yeah.
2 people can fit inside this?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
A 5.5.
Got vent holes up there for smoke to be relieved.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got
Spaces.
great leg room.
Oh, lots of leg room. Lots and lots of leg room.
Lots of leg
We
room.
got, you know, storage space like this.
That's for your spit bottle.
Yeah, yeah.
Keeps the wind out. And what did you say we should put inside this shed?
A heater
A heater right here.
for when it's cold.
For
we'll
when
put
it's
a
cold.
heater in.
A heater, okay.
Yeah. And maybe we'll get a generator and wire it all up. And we'll put a TV in here
Some
And-
tiki lights.
and tiki lights.
And then when we want some to eat, we'll go like this. Ready?
Wait. We could probably put right behind you here when we burn up the firewood. We can probably have room to put a little small cube refrigerator.
That'd be
to put the drinks
sweet.
in.
That is so sweet. We even
Yeah.
got a light up here. See that?
Yeah.
And then when we want something to eat, what do?
We kick open the door and
And we say it like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo, Tootsie, bring me something to eat.
we'll put it intercom.
That's right. Or we'll go, Tootsie, bring me something to eat. See? But we can see the house from here. Yep. Jen's right in there watching TV. There's the picnic table.
Why is she in there watching TV when she could be out here having a good time with us?
See, well, you know. It's one of those days that a girl goes through. When we're in our man cave. We'll have to send this to Rebecca and James. They're going to like it. Alright, goodbye.